Now I'm going to show you how to do low-dye taping, which is for when you've got any kind of plantar fascia pain. If this works really well, you might want to consider getting some orthotics, or you could just use this as needed. So I'm going to start off with our normal rigid tape. And like most things, we're going to start off with very little tension. Do a C cup right around the front of your foot. This is going to form our base layer. So make sure there's a space on top. That will be important later on. From there, still building a base, we're going to touch that C cup, come around the back of the heel, and finish off on the same area. Doing your best, try not to get any creases or folds, although like always, it's pretty impossible. So now we got our base layer started. We're going to start from the heel, work our way forward, coming from the outside to inside. It's very important. So we start on the outside, pulling in. We do a decent bit of tension. And for those at home, this will be a bit of a chance to play around with how much tension is helpful, how much tension is not helpful. I'm going to slowly work my way up here, pulling across. Make sure that inside tape still stays down. Again. And the main action is going to come from like the midsection of your arch where it just went to here, where we really start to feel a bit of a compression and a push. Finish up right up top here. And that's our mid layer done. From there, I'm going to work on securing that back down. So we almost go backwards now. We go back to doing a long kind of stirrup around the outside, touching that C cup again. Make sure that's nice, padded down really, really well. Do one more C cup. Making sure not to touch them together on the top side of your foot. And here's the really important part. Take about 15 centimeters worth of tape, put some pressure on that foot, and then place it on top. As always, make sure you've got good circulation and you don't get any pins and needles. Too easy.